Hey, what's up guys? So as you can see, for the past few days I've been streaming, and so there are a list of things which I use for doing this. So I'll be making a mini series of all the stuff I use for streaming and how to stream. So this will be my first video in that series, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech C270 HD webcam, which is the best beginner's webcam for most of the streamers, or if you just want to use Skype, if people still do that. So let's start with the unboxing. Well, there's nothing much in the box anyways. You just get the webcam and the info guide, that's it. The webcam connects through USB, so it's just easy plug and play. Okay, let's talk specs. To be honest, it's not that impressive, but for the price you pay for this, it is justified to an extent. This will set you back around 1600 rupees, and I've given an Amazon link so you can check it out in the link below. So as the name suggests, its max video output is 720p and it has autofocus. So you don't have to manually pull focus on your face while streaming or Skyping or recording. So that's pretty much it for the specifications. Now coming to its build, it's all plastic and pretty light for the most part. It has a clamp of sorts which makes it easier to clamp it on any monitor. The clamp has rubber padding so as to not scratch the monitor and works well. The USB wire is pretty long, so you won't face any problems while hooking it up onto your PC or laptop. Yeah, so now we're going to be talking about the streaming aspect of this webcam. It is perfect for beginners, and it is really easy to set it up with your streaming software. For example, I'm going to be using OBS Streamlabs, and I'll show you how easy it is to set up your webcam. So now I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to set up your Logitech webcam. All you have to do is connect it through the USB port, then later open your streaming software. I would suggest you to use OBS, that is Streamlabs, because it's very easy to set up. So once you open Streamlabs, you will find the sources tab. So after you see the sources tab, there will be a plus button. Please press it, and later you will find a lot of settings, but all you have to do is worry about video capture device. Once you press video capture device, built-in webcam, Logitech webcam and all will be shown. So as you can see here, now you do is add source again, and you're done. Logitech HD webcam will get sensed, and you can see I'm doing a voiceover here. So yeah, it's easy as that, and you don't have to worry about any other settings. All you have to press is done. Then later you can actually resize it as per your convenience. You can place it anywhere you want, and it is as easy as it gets. So I would suggest you to get this webcam. It's cheap and it's best for beginners, so please do that. So hope you all liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button and also get subscribed to the channel if you're into tech and gaming. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Vishal and you're watching Half-Life.